Ever found yourself drowning in a sea of data, struggling to make sense of it all? You're not alone. Data analysis, while incredibly powerful, can often feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack. An overwhelming amount of information, an almost infinite number of variables, and the constant challenge of discerning what's important from what's not. One common pitfall is data overload. We're living in the era of big data where the sheer volume can be paralyzing. Then, there's the difficulty in visualizing data. Without the right tools, it can be tough to see patterns and relationships. And, let's not forget the challenge of extracting meaningful insights. It's one thing to have a lot of data, but another to understand what it all means. But what if there was a tool that could simplify all this for you? A solution that makes data analysis not just efficient, but also enjoyable. Introducing Power BI, a business analytics service by Microsoft. Now, if you've been grappling with complex data sets, trying to make sense of them, Power BI is your knight in shining armor. This amazing platform simplifies data analysis, making it accessible to everyone. Imagine having a user-friendly interface that allows you to create interactive, immersive dashboards and reports, all with the click of a button. Power BI is not just about data, it's about making data work for you. It's about insights, trends, and patterns that can drive your business forward. And the best part? It's fully integrated with other Microsoft services. This means you can easily import data from Excel, Azure, and even SharePoint. And once your data is in, Power BI does the heavy lifting, providing you with actionable insights in real time. Power BI is not just a tool, but a complete game changer in the world of data analysis. So, are you ready to unlock the power of your data? So, what makes Power BI stand out in the crowded market of analytic tools? Well, let's dive into some of its key features to answer that. Power BI is not just an analytics tool, it's a comprehensive platform that bridges the gap between raw data and meaningful insights. One of its most impressive features is the interactive visualizations. Power BI lets you create stunning, easy-to-understand visualizations that go far beyond the standard bar graphs and pie charts. These visuals are interactive, allowing you to drill down into your data for a deeper understanding. Imagine being able to explore your data in a way that's as intuitive and engaging as navigating through a video game. That's the kind of experience Power BI offers. But it's not just about creating pretty pictures. Power BI also powers your decision-making process with its ability to create custom reports. You can tailor-make reports to suit your specific needs, whether you're tracking sales performance, monitoring operational efficiency, or analyzing customer behavior. With Power BI, you're not limited to a one-size-fits-all approach. You have the flexibility to create reports that truly reflect your business and its unique challenges. And then there's the AI-powered data insights. Power BI's advanced machine learning capabilities can sift through your data and highlight key insights that you might miss. It's like having your personal data scientist that can predict trends, identify outliers, and even suggest actions based on your data. And the best part? All these features are designed to be user-friendly. You don't need to be a data wizard to use Power BI. With its intuitive interface and user-friendly tools, you can start generating insights from your data in no time. So, whether you're a seasoned data analyst or a business owner with no technical background, Power BI can help you make sense of your data. It's more than just an analytics tool. It's a platform that empowers you to understand your data, make informed decisions, and drive your business forward. With Power BI, you can now turn your data into a powerful storytelling tool. Still unsure if Power BI is the right tool for you? Allow me to clarify why it's worth giving a shot. Power BI's simplicity is one of its major strengths. It's user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy for anyone to navigate through data, even if they aren't tech-savvy. On top of that, Power BI is cost-effective. Its pricing model is flexible, making it an affordable solution for businesses of all sizes. But affordability doesn't mean compromise on capabilities. Power BI is robust, offering a wide range of features designed for in-depth data analysis. Moreover, Power BI promotes collaboration. It lets you share insights across your organization swiftly and securely. This means everyone can be on the same page, driving informed decision-making. Last but not least, Power BI empowers everyone, irrespective of their technical expertise. It allows you to extract meaningful insights from data, taking your decision-making abilities to the next level. So why wait? Dive into the world of data analysis with Power BI and transform the way you make decisions.